Hi guys, it's Chet, Cordova High's favorite robot, and since I'm obviously such an expert on robots, I'm here with you guys today to judge. React to the antics of the best, the brightest, and the most viewed robots around the world. Let's get started. First, the most viewed robot of all time with 70 million views.
Doing great, Noel. Bringing the head down nicely.
This is the most watched YouTube video. Well, this is off to a great start. And traumatized for life. This is one of the most awesome robots with over 13 million views. I'm definitely on this list, right? Hey, that's me. Hey, how come his fingers work? Up next is Atlas with 14 million views. Wow, it's the Power Ranger robot? Oh my goodness. I mean, so he can jump. Big deal. Can he do this? And now it's the famous Sophia the Robot. 779,000 people watched her walk for the first time. Let's take a look.
This is Sophia the Robot taking her first steps. She's even got some sweet dance moves up her sleeve.
Totally not creepy at all.
Speed of 30
I
centimeters per
mean,
second.
I can't talk when I look like I'm about to lay an egg every time I take a step. But it's just so great that they've invented robots that can experience constipation. Alright, in taking matters into my own hands, I'll show you guys a hot bot. Pepper on her first date with 100,000 views.
Alexa. Wrong robot, sorry.
That should be me. She needs a real robot to show her a good time. Sure, I may be too, but that's like 25 in robot years. Trust me.
Do you believe in God?
I don't know, but I believe in you. So close. And yet so far. And lastly, one of the most viewed NAO Robot video. Pop-Tart? Hey, it's a Bloomie. Is that beast gonna eat him? We're not very tasty, just saying. Oh my goodness, he dead? I just witnessed a murder. Never mind, he lives. Looks like this weakling should watch my workout video. Link here for your convenience. I fell in my last video. Where are my 3 million views? Is it because we need a cute dog? Peasant, put that on the list. What's this one? NAO the Robot Chef. 70,000 views. That counts, right?
Hey, nice hat.
Hey, I did something like this before.
I shall return.
Don't worry, me and Chef Paul will have a perfect meal for your date. Who is holding a gun behind his head to make him say this? Is he being held hostage? Don't worry, buddy, I'll come and save you.
Hold on there, buddy.
So thanks for joining me on this journey to watch the most popular bots the web has to offer. It had its ups and downs, mostly downs, but I'm glad I got to see some real robot representation. Maybe I can join the list of most watched robots soon, huh? Make sure to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe to the Chet crew to make my dreams come true. See you guys next time and stay tuned for more demonetized Chet antics.
Yes, Chet, work those angles, sis.
What about